enjoying the free content and also learning a lot, send a blessing of appreciation over to your girl at $EarthLocs via Cash App. Thank you guys in advance. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the video. Okay, family, so if you've seen yesterday's video, then you saw me do this style, okay? Now, today I'm going to flip it for you guys into a completely different look. We're basically going to take the plait out, and we are going to go ahead and give this look just a bit more spice, okay? So instead of leaving your locks out here, we're gonna go ahead and throw some lock petals in this ponytail, and you guys will be able to see how adding a different lock styling technique to this particular look will just take it to a different level. Now, lock petals are pretty repetitive. I've done lock petals so many times on this channel. I'll leave a link right here at the top of the screen how to do lock petals. So definitely check out that video here before you start doing lock petals here, because I'm about to get into it.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Fishtail.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are and come. Me I fit to turn them down.
I've completed all of the lock petals, and this is what the style looks like with the flipped fishtail plait. As you can see, very cute, very simple, and very easy.